What's up, everyone? I am Maurice A. Mercado, the Math 03 or Statistics and Probability Lead of Mapúa SHS Math Club. For today's video, we will learn about the fundamental measures of central tendency. You may ask yourself, how can I properly determine the measures of central tendency given a set of numbers? Let us learn more as we dive into this topic. As the start of this lesson, a set of numbers that is seen on the screen will be used as a sample space that will help determine the measures of central tendency. So before we determine the measures of central tendency, we must first select the definition of the ungrouped data and measures of central tendency. For the ungrouped data, it is the list of raw numbers gathered from an experiment, while the measure of central tendency is a single value that can be used to represent all the other values in the collection. The three measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. For the first one, let us discuss the mean. The definition is, it is the list of raw numbers gathered from an experiment. It has three types, namely arithmetic, population, and sample. The formula for getting the mean is displayed on the screen, where x sub I is the summation of the number set and n is the number of elements in the number set. So, substituting the elements to the set of formula on getting the mean and simplifying the expression, the mu or the mean will be 16.909. Proceeding to the median, the second measure of central tendency is the center or the middle value of the array, a step of the position or location. So we need to consider if the number of elements n is an odd or even number. The formula for getting the median if the number of the features or the elements is odd is displayed in case 1. So here is the formula. Furthermore, the formula for getting the median if the number of the elements is even is displayed in case 2, where MD is the population median. Furthermore, the formula for getting the median is the number of elements displayed in case 2, where MD is the population median. Applying the formula of the median to the given number set, we will use case 1, since the number of elements is 11, which is an odd number. Hence, simplifying the expression, the value of MD is the 6th element, which is 11. The third and last measure of central tendency. It is the mode, which is defined as the center because it is the most typical value in a set of observations. In layman's term, it is the most frequent occurring element in the number set, which in the case of sample problem, the model is 3, because it is the most occurring. Now, since you have pertinent information about the tendency measures given on the screen, another problem can help evaluate the previous knowledge you gained during the lesson. Here's the given number set. So take time and take effort to answer that in order for us to assess the information that you gained from the lesson that I topicked. So again, I am Maurice A. Mercado, the Math 03 lead of Mapúa SHS Math Club, discussing statistics and probability, particularly the measures of central tendency. See you next time as Archimedes awaits you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated for our next video.